Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install VMware Workstation in a Windows 11 operating system. So let's begin. Now before installing VMware Workstation, let us first understand what this software basically does. Now let's say you want to install another operating system, let's say Linux or even Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. So you can install that operating system right on this operating system itself. So VMware will help you to create a virtual environment where you can install that operating system. Right, so in this video I am going to show you how to install VMware Workstation, and then I'll also give you an overview on how to install another operating system. So let's begin. Now to install VMware, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser, and in the address bar you need to just simply type VMware Workstation download, then enter, and then you'll be seeing this www.vmware.com is basically our first search result, and in here you can clearly see that it is available for Workstation Pro and another just Workstation, right? So there is basically these two options, Workstation Player and another is Workstation Pro. Now the Pro one is a paid one, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install Workstation, the free edition. So for that, if you just simply click on that, you can see that this VMware Workstation Player has been rightly opened over here, and this is the official site of VMware. So I'll be also putting this link in the description, right, this entire link, so you don't have to worry about the link and all. So here if you just simply scroll down a bit, you can clearly see that the VMware Workstation 16.0 is currently available for Windows and Linux. So if you want to install it for Windows, you need to just simply proceed with this link, and for Linux you need to simply proceed with this link, right? So I'm going to use it for Windows, so just simply click on that and it will going to start downloading our VMware, right? You can see it has rightly started. Since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it, and if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see that the latest version of VMware has been directly downloaded over here. So all you need to do is just simply double click on it to start installing our VMware, and this is going to ask you for administrative privileges. So for that, just simply click on yes, and you can clearly see that our VMware Workstation 16 has been started installing. So let us first minimize our download directory, and you can see it is currently asking that you need to install Microsoft VC Redistributable. So it is very essential to install the software as well. So for that, it is asking whether you would like to restart your machine now. So it is very important to restart your machine now. So if this type of message it shows, then you need to just simply click on yes and come back after restarting your machine, right? So after restarting your system, all you need to do is you need to again go to your download directory and just double click on your VMware Workstation installer, and again after giving administrative privileges, you can see that our VMware Workstation installation wizard has been rightly opened over here. So again, let us first minimize our download directory, and you can see it is currently showing that it's preparing to install, and our VMware Workstation 16 player installation wizard has been directly opened over here. So let us first simply click on next, and this is the license agreement. So I'm going to just simply check this and then just simply click on next. And now under custom setup, it is currently asking whether you'd like to check this enhanced keyboard driver, so which is I would like to check, right? And this is going to be our installation destination. So if you want to change that, you can always simply click on change and you can do that, but I'm going to keep this as a default. And I would also like to check this VMware Workstation console tools into my system path. This is very important, guys, do not uncheck this, always check this, right? And then just simply click on next. And now it's almost ready to be installed. It's currently asking whether you'd like to check product updates on startup, so which is fine totally. And it's also asking whether you'd like to join VMware Workstation Experience for Improvement program. So currently I don't want that. If you want, you can always check that, right? And then just simply click on next. And now it's asking whether you'd like to create a desktop shortcut or a start menu program folder. So keep this default, then just simply click on next. And now it's ready to be installed. Just simply click on install for installation, and you can clearly see that our VMware Workstation 16 player has been rightly started installing. So this entire process will take a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after installing our VMware Workstation. Yeah. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our VMware Workstation 16 player has been rightly installed. So just simply click on finish, and now it's again asking whether you'd like to restart your system to configure changes to VMware into effect. So it is again recommended to restarting your machine, but right now I don't want to restart it again, right? So I just simply click on no, and you can see that our VMware Workstation has been rightly installed over here, and our desktop shortcut has been rightly created. So if you just simply double click on it, you can see that our VMware Workstation 16 player has been rightly opened over here, and now there is a radio button. So it's asking whether you would like to use VMware Workstation 16 for free or you want to use it for commercial purpose. So if you are using for commercial purpose, you need to provide that product key over here, but I am going to use it for non-commercial use. So just simply check that and then just simply click on continue, and this is just a thank you message. So just simply click on finish, and you can clearly see that our VMware Workstation 16 non-commercial use has been rightly opened over here. So if you just simply maximize it, this is basically the interface of our VMware Workstation. So in here you can create a new virtual machine. So for that you need to just simply click on this create a new virtual machine, and you can see it has rightly opened over here, and here it is asking that to browse a ISO file. So all you need to do is you need to just simply click on browse, and right now I have this Windows 11 ISO file in this documents directory. You can see that this installer is currently over here. So you need to just simply select that ISO file and then just simply click on open, and you can see that path has been rightly set over here. And then all you need to do is you need to just simply do this next and all those steps, right? So if you need a detailed video on how to install another operating system in your virtual machine, then please do drop a comment in our comment sections. I'll be happy to make a video on that as well, right? In this video I just wanted to show you how to install this VMware Workstation for using it as a non-commercial way, right? So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and so please do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.